bunch of English speaking people out there, and you 111 subscribers. Right, this is a really quick one on celiac, vegetarian, vegan gnocchi. Okay, so really quick one, just to show that it can be done. I didn't know that it could be done, so I just did a trial effort. I used rice, I used flour rice, and I used obviously potatoes. 500 grams of flour rice and a kilo, just over a kilo of potatoes. Enjoy it. See you later. So we've got the potatoes. I'm going to very quickly peel them. Right, so I'm going to put the potatoes in a bowl just to make it easier to mix. Add a bit of flour and see how we get on. So obviously this is going to be a bit difficult to mix in, just because it won't stick together quite as well as normal flour. Okay, so we'll just have to see how we get on. If it gets really crumbly, then maybe I'll put a bit of oil in as well. So. Right, okay, so basically that's done. I can feel it's a little bit, just slightly sticky, but it tends not to stick on the board. So what I've done is I've used almost all of this 500 grams of flour. Don't know if you can see in there, but just a slight, probably about a tablespoon's worth of flour left. And I used just over a kilo of potatoes, so that's basically it. You can hear. Right, so this is about 1.5 kilos of celiac gnocchi. It took 15 minutes in the pressure cooker to do the potatoes in the end, around about this size, so you'll have to reason between 10 and 15 minutes. The time taken to roll it out and to cut it up took about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so gnocchi, there we go, celiac gnocchi. We've actually managed to do it. The first trial went completely wrong because I made it in a small pan with water, and this time it went much better. They're all separate. It's not quite so easy, obviously, to cook, but still very good. There you go. These gnocchis. So if you want to understand how to make gnocchi the normal way, I'll leave a link somewhere here or here for you to have a look at the one that I recently did with David. Okay, so there's not much difference. I found it just a little bit more crumbly, but quite easy to keep together. Okay. See you next time. Oh, just if you like this video, put an I like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and press on that bell button. Ciao!